La la la, I'm a student, I'm a lucky student, I'm a good student. I love going to school, I'm well prepared for school. I leave for school early, I listen to my teachers, I make good friends. Don't play too much, learn and play. After learn and play, it's time to learn. It's time to play. At school, I listen to my teachers, I play. I don't fight, I don't bully others. I eat healthy foods, and I eat rice and vegetables. I don't eat meatballs, candies, instant noodles, or hot dogs. I don't drink sweet or energy drinks. They're for adults, not for kids like me. I drink a lot of water. I'm a responsible student. I'm lucky to have good friends at school. I'll make my teachers proud of me. I'll help my friends learn, not play too much. I'll do my best. I don't use bad words, I put rubbish in the bin. I respect my teachers and my friends. Don't play too much, learn and play. After learning, play. It's time to learn. It's time to play. I do homework and have my mom sign it. I memorize new lessons, I review old lessons. I don't play games, I self-study first. Then I play with my toys and my siblings. I go to bed at 8 p.m. and get up early. Every day I'm ready for school. I'm a responsible student. I'm lucky to have good friends at school. I'll make my teachers proud of me. I'll help my friends learn, not play too much. I'll do my best. La 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 la, ha ha la 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 la. I'm a responsible student. I make my parents and teachers